Welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas, and welcome to a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Let's get it. I'm gonna go get some breakfast downstairs. Can't forget my key with the room number on it. I've done that once. I've like grabbed my key and then left and had no idea what the room number was. I had my key, I just didn't know where I was going.
It's the dream.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring, jingle bells roll.
I brought this cinnamon roll up here and a banana because I am gonna get some content for the hotel today, and I have a really cute idea. I'm not going outside because it's freaking freezing, so I'm just gonna do like a shot in my room. Also though, it's really in case I get hungry later. How would I take a shower at some point? I still need to unpack everything, but also I never cease to amaze myself. Brought my speaker. It looks like I'm setting up for like a porno, but I promise I'm not. Now that I'm done with that, I can finally eat my cinnamon roll. Super conflicted with these two photos because like I really like this one and I really like this one. Like I like this setup in this one. Like the cup is on a plate. And I don't know why it's really bothering me that the cup is not on a plate in this one. Like that's not realistic. Ugh, the struggle's all real. I would love to. It's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm staying in Summerlin, so I've just been kind of exploring around this little town a little bit. It's super cute. Okay, I'm going to Target to get some face makeup and some groceries. Grocery haul. I just picked up a few things that like can last me through the week. I just got some bread, meat, cheese, everything that I shouldn't eat. Blackberries, best kind of berry. Oh, these chips. These chips are so good. They're real vegetable. Oh, macaroni and cheese. Saw this last minute. Had to get it. Water. Best part. Ice cream. Yes. And I even got Caitlin one. Okay, fine. I'll admit it. I wanted both flavors, so I got both. And face makeup, so now I can do my makeup. I just realized I never really showed y'all my view. It's not the pool, but it might be even better. The sun should set on this side, and it's so pretty. Hopefully it's as pretty as last night was, and I'll go out there or something. I woke up early this morning to watch the sunrise at like 6:30, but I couldn't see it from my view because it's on the opposite side of the hotel. But at least I get the sunset, and in my opinion, that's even better. And I'm gonna sit here. Can you come back? Gave me a heart attack. So I'm looking up shows in Vegas because I really want to go to a show. As many times as I've been here, I've never gone to one. Friends, the musical parody. But what I really want to see is All Shook Up, the Elvis show. I want to see this so bad. I just texted my mom and I was like, I can't decide if I want to go see the Friends show or the Elvis show. And she said, well, you know, Friends won't be the Friends. And I was like, Elvis won't be the Elvis. I just bought a ticket for All Shook Up. And I bought VIP in the very front row, in the very middle. I spent like $70. I'm so freaking excited. Seriously, Elvis is the best. I literally know every single word to every single Elvis song. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have 5 hours. Video uploading. I'm about to head out. I'm going for that Elvis show. But first, I have a dilemma. The jacket dilemma. Classy trench coat, badass leather jacket, or a fur. I really can't decide. I can't decide between this one and the leather one. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this to Instagram and have y'all decide for me. Okay, I'm posting this on my story to have people decide. Okay, the vote is literally 100% for fur, so I guess I'm gonna change. Ugh. And now more people are saying leather. Oh my god, as it turns out, you guys are more conflicted than I am. I'm not changing. Okay, I'm wearing this. I'm not changing again. Okay, hi Paris. Holy crap, hello. Okay, a few things. First, that was freaking awesome. Second, so the host came out to give Elvis a break, and he was like doing these funny impersonations of other people that I don't really know, and he looked right at me and he was like, "You don't even know who this is, do you?" And everyone started laughing at me. Third, Elvis sang my favorite song and came down and shook my hand and looked me in the eyes, and he was being super hot, and I cried.
Just like the one, how you doing, honey? We would cry an ocean if we lost trees. Your lips inside me, but your arms invite me. Oh, who knows when we'll meet again. This way, sing it if you know it. Here we go. It's now or never.
Fourth, I hear Justin Timberlake playing outside. Don't beep at me. Fifth. Sixth, look how cute Vegas is. 7, I'm like so excited for Caitlin to get here so we can actually do Vegas-y stuff. 8, after the show, I met Elvis, and he said that I was very cute. Why am I fangirling so hard like it's the real him? 9, I'm on cloud 9 because I just made it all the way back to my hotel with a dead phone and no idea where I was going. And the best part, someone was leaving right when I got here, so I got front row parking too. What a great night, and it's about to get even greater with some Netflix and bed and ice cream. 10. This is 10. Alright guys, look who it is!
Me!
It's Caitlin! She finally graced me with her presents. And burgers. I got a veggie burger.
I got a chip burger.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching another episode of Vlogmas. I'm going to end the vlog here, eat all this, and then pass out. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down low before you go, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for another